As our week-long series of international food favorites continues, today we're celebrating a dessert that's considered Canada's most highly regarded pastry, the butter tart. Once you sink your teeth into one of these bite-sized pastries, you'll know why they're so popular. To make them, we start by preparing a basic pie crust. After letting it chill for a bit, we roll it out just like we would if we were making a pie. Then we cut out circles and place them in a muffin pan. After all the dough is used up, we place a spoonful of raisins or chopped walnuts in each cup and top them with a mixture we made by combining some brown sugar with melted butter, a couple of beaten eggs, corn syrup, apple cider vinegar, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Then we'll pop these into the oven. In about 20 minutes, they're done. It takes just one bite to appreciate what makes these so popular. The pastry is super flaky. The filling is buttery rich, and together, they're amazing. To get the recipe for what is known as Canada Tarts, all you need to do is visit our website or head north to the Canadian border. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Canadian way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.